In computer networking, a request refers to a message sent from one device or application to another device or application requesting specific information or action. For example, when you type a web address into your web browser, your browser sends a request to a web server asking for the web page associated with that address. The server then responds by sending the requested page back to your browser, which displays it on your screen. Similarly, in a client-server model, a client, such as a web browser, sends requests to a server, such as a web server, asking for information or services, such as data, files, or access to a specific application. Requests can take different forms depending on the communication protocol being used, but they typically include information about the specific action or information being requested and any necessary parameters or data needed to complete the request. The server or application receiving the request then processes it and sends a response back to the requesting device or application. In simple terms, a request is like asking someone for something. For example, if you're hungry and want a sandwich, you might ask a friend to make you one. In the same way, when you use a website or an app, you are making a request to a server, which is like a computer that stores and processes information for something, like a web page or a piece of data. When you click on a link or enter a search term on a website, you are making a request to the server to send you the information you're looking for. The server then responds by sending the requested information back to your device, so you can see it on your screen, which is the response you get back. Requests and responses are the backbone of how the internet works. They allow you to interact with websites and apps, and they enable those sites and apps to send you the information you need. Requests can take different forms depending on the communication protocol being used, but they typically include information about the specific action or information being requested and any necessary parameters or data needed to complete the request. The server or application receiving the request then processes it and sends a response back to the requesting device or application.